Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we have this 2013 Infiniti G37 and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So make sure before you start the installation to prep the tail light. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the tail light may have. So once you finish prepping the tail light, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Once you spray your solution, align the film to the section where the button is located. So align it there. The only difference between the driver's side and the passenger side when it comes to the tail light installation is the driver's side tail light has the button for the trunk, while the other side, it's solid. It doesn't have no button. So if you're doing the installation on the other end, just align it on this edge. But if you're doing the installation on the driver's side, align it where the button is located first. So once you have it aligned, grab your tack solution and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to secure it in this position and then stretch and work our way to the other end. So make sure it's aligned and start tagging it down. Now that we have this secured, now we could work on with the rest of the installation on this end. So all we need to do is stretch the film to reach to this curve here. And after we stretched it, we move on to this piece. So make sure you stretch in order to remove these fingers here. So grab it from here, stretch the film in order to remove the fingers that you see here. And make sure to keep it aligned as you're stretching. So stretch the film, keep it aligned, apply tack solution, hold it in position, and then tack it down. Make sure to secure this whole section first before we move on to the top section. And now do the same step, stretching the film upward until you reach to this edge here. So stretch it, hold it in position. Make sure everything stays aligned. Grab your tack solution, apply it on top. That way we're able to start tacking down the film. Now the last thing to do is to work around the tail light. Apply tack solution wherever you see fingers on the tail light film, and then apply heat. Use your squeegee to remove them. In order to remove the fingers, just apply tack solution. Apply heat on the areas where the fingers are located. And once you apply heat, wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking it down. And you do this step until you remove all the fingers all around, and then make sure to seal this edge. That way we install the next piece that covers this section here. So now we're moving on to the last piece that covers this side of the tail light. So for this one, apply tack solution to the lens and tack solution to the adhesive side of the film, and start by aligning it on this edge of the tail light. So align it on the bottom first, that way you have coverage, and then once you have coverage here, finish off aligning the rest of the film, and it should overlap all across here, and you should have coverage on the edge here. Once it's aligned, apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, and just start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure when you're tacking the film down to remove any solution that's underneath the film, that way you don't have any bubbles left over. And then in order to seal the edge here, apply tack solution and use your microfiber towel to seal this edge, and then you should be good. We recommend starting from the curved area first, so apply heat. And once you apply enough heat, help it tack down around the curve. That way you minimize having fingers on the edge here, so it should feel flat. Work your way with the fingers if you do have any. And then once you tack down this middle section, continue on with the rest. So once you finish with the whole installation for the tail light, the last step to do is to post heat the entire film. And the reason we post heat is that way we apply heat all over the film that was installed on the panel in order for the adhesive to activate faster and the film won't lift over time. So it's very important that after every installation you apply heat in order to help the adhesive cure faster. So you would just go all around the film, making sure you apply a good amount of heat on each section. So make sure you go all over the corners, the middle section, basically the entire tail light. So take your time, and as you're doing so, you can use your microfiber towel to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that may still be trapped underneath the panel. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So just take your time going section by section. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2013 Infiniti G37. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.